Hey, what's up? It's Sugar from Sound Candy Studio. Today I'm going to take a look at Polyverse. It's a morphing reverb plugin and I really do like it. Okay, so let's take a look at the UI. So obviously we're going to have our major components. So we're going to have the input and output and their corresponding VU meters. On the left-hand side here, you have your pre-delay, your defuse and your detune. In the center here, you have the size rotary encoder. Then you have the decay. Incidentally, the decay goes from 0 to 100. And at 100 it is infinite, so be sparing with that. On the right hand side here you have your high and low damp. Essentially they are a set of high and low pass filters that they engage. When they engage, it allows you to attenuate the signal there. Then you have the color, which comes after the reverb. So once the signal has gone through the reverb, then it will go to the color section, just adds a little bit more color there. Then you have your final output at the bottom there. As you can see in this one's highlighted, so you can see there's a lock icon. I currently always have the input and output locked, so it makes it easier for me to control there. But if you wanted to unlock or lock a particular parameter, so for instance, let's go to this one here, which says brown space. Now that is on 40. If we cycle through, you can see that that is going to change. Now, for whatever reason, let's just say you wanted the size to be at 40, but you still wanted to change the other parameters. If you just lock that on 40, now when you cycle through, all the other parameters change when you're cycling through the presets, but that 40 will stay as is. So that's how you do that. Incidentally, one other thing you can do with the presets is, let's just say you wanted to double up this one on the voice. You can grab and hold it and just drop it into another section here, one of the 5 sections, and that's how you do that. Let's undo that for a second. Now let's go to the settings. In the settings section, you have your MIDI and CV, so you can do your MIDI learning there. You have the linear or the round knobs there. Let's go back to settings, and also you have your size, scalable size, so you can scale this up and scale it down anywhere from 100 to 200%. At the bottom here, you also have your glide section. Now, the glide section comes in 2 sections. So if we're going to go clockwise, we're going to go from 150 milliseconds all the way through to 30 seconds at the bottom here. If we go counterclockwise, we can do tempo division. So anywhere from 1/16 to 16 bars. So that's your tempo division for your glide. So I should have mentioned that this is a morphing reverb, and you can hear why in a second. So what we're going to do, let's just listen to this thing. Let's go to, for instance, I've put it on a guitar and I've put it on a vocal, so let's see what it sounds like in both cases. If you haven't got your headphones on, perhaps now would be a good time to do that. Let's go and see what it sounds like on a guitar. So let's do it without the Polyverse Comet engaged, and then we'll hear what it sounds like when we cycle through some of the presets. So that's what it sounds like without any processing whatsoever. Now let's engage the plugin. And you can also hear this beautiful slide thing it does. Let's cycle through some of these. Now, I really like this plugin. It's really smooth, it's rich, it's glitch-free, it's error-free. It just sounds really, really nice. Let's increase the decay on this one for a second. Let's try down here as well. Let's try a larger space. Let's go to this one here, see what that sounds like. Let's try increase the size here as well. Let's do the decay as well. So if you get this in your DAW and you automate that, that's going to sound fantastic. I really do like this. It sounds really, really nice. Let's go and try this on a set of vocals. So let's jump the vocals back to the beginning. And again, we're going to do it without the, let's just hear it in its default state, and then we'll add the plugin.
You're just so beautiful under the moonlight tonight. I've waited for so long.
Okay, so what we're going to do here, let's go to the presets. We'll do a small room. That's probably good. And now let's engage the plugin to see what it sounds like with the plugin engaged. Let's try it there.
Just so beautiful.
We'll cycle through.
Under the moonlight tonight. I've waited for so long to feel your heart beating next to mine. Won't you come on down?
Let's increase the color. Let's get some high end on that one.
Forget about your past. Everything's alright now. You can't take my hand. You're just so beautiful.
Let's cycle through a few more of these.
Under the moonlight tonight, I've waited for so long to feel your heart beating next to mine. Won't you come on down? Forget about your past. Everything's alright now. You can't take my hand. You're just so beautiful under the moonlight tonight.
Let's decrease the decay here.
Waited for so long to feel your heart beating next to mine. Won't you come on down? Forget about your past. Everything's alright.
And let's add a little bit more of the wet signal.
Now you can't take my hand. You're just so beautiful under the moonlight tonight. I've waited for so long to feel your heart beating next to mine. Won't you come on down?
Now that is really extreme there. I really do like this plugin. This is a really great plugin. Now, it's not for every type of music. It's not for everyone, but I really do like it. It's rich, it's smooth, it's glitch-free. I mean, the transitions between the morphing transitions are absolutely beautiful. Okay, so that's it for this particular video. This is a Polyverse Comet, and I will leave all the links in the description there for you. If you have any questions, please do hit me up and I'll see if I can answer them. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, do whatever you want to do, certainly. And I will see you guys again next time. Take care for now. Bye-bye.
Forget about your past. Everything's alright now. You can't take my hand.